Welcome back to R for Economics. In this one, we'll be talking about the Hausman Test. So the Hausman Test checks whether one or another panel data estimation is correct or incorrect or consistent or not consistent. So let's begin. We're going to bring in the formula and we're going to install the formula package and also the PLM. This does our panel linear models. Bring in our libraries for those. Now the product database is included in PLM. It's 816 observations and 11 variables. And we'll do a fixed effects or within estimation. And we can see that we have coefficients for CAP, the log of PCAP, PC, unemployment, and employment and unemployment. When we do the random effects and our summary, we have all the same 4 variables, and then we also have the intercept as well. So we have four things that we want to test, and we want to see if the coefficients for intercept for the random effects model and the fixed effects or within model are the same. Now they look kind of similar. There's 16, 76. This one is 20.26 and 0.74. So those are slightly different. So we want to see if those are statistically different. Now, we can use the pH test, which is the Hausman test. Simply type in pH test and then the first model, the name of the first model, and then the name of the second model, a random fit random. The output here will give us an identification of what the model is. So it's going to include only the 4 coefficients that have the same variables. So the log of PCAP, the log of PC, the log of employment, and the unemployment. We can see that the statistic that's generated is chi-square, 47.56, 4 degrees of freedom chi-square, and this is a really small p-value. So this is outside of the 5%. So this means that we would reject the null. Now, what's the null? The null is saying that both estimates are the same, but the alternative hypothesis is chosen. So it's saying that one of the models is inconsistent. The one that's going to be inconsistent will be the random effects model, because the within model is consistent, but it might be have a higher standard error. Random effects has the possibility of being inconsistent if the errors are correlated with any of the regressors. So we reject. So seems that the fixed effects estimate would be preferred in this case. Great, and we'll see you in the next video.